All right, we're at another install here. Put a Daikin mini split in the garage. We got a remote mounted, which now that we're done testing, go ahead and turn this back up. Okay, that's the only downside to mounting the remote over here, is you got to make sure you get that beep command. If not, even though the remote reads one thing, the machine doesn't recognize it. And I explained that to the customer, but I was going to mount the remote right here somewhere to where that wouldn't be an issue. But they decided they didn't want to crawl over the stuff in the garage, and they'll just remember to point the remote. So that's installed. We did the electrical here too as well. So there. And we got a 20 amp breaker. And this house happens to have solar as well. So that should be a little bit helpful. So right now we got the line set like this. We had to order a couple of 45s so we can extend the line shield down. But this is the somewhat finished product. We got the stainless steel brackets like always, mounted to the wall. Line set. In there, drain pipe in there, and I installed this disconnect. And also painted the line dryers since we were here, and installed the soft start on the main system. And we'll be back tomorrow. We're going to insulate the garage, and when the pieces come in for this, we'll finish this off, but everything is sealed up for the meantime. So we'll get back with you tomorrow after we do our insulation.